The rapid development of renewable energy and carbon neutrality industries has brought new opportunities for global economic and social development. Meanwhile, industries such as photovoltaics, lithium batteries, semiconductors, 3C electronics, and packaging have also put forward higher importance for reducing machine costs and improving production efficiency. Based on more than 20 years of motion control experience, Leadshine launches the general type EtherCAT bus PLC MC500 Series, which adopts industrial design, conforms to application ergonomics, and strives for excellence in every detail. MC500 integrates various communication interfaces, high-speed motion control, powerful expansion capabilities, and secured information transmission, providing a one-stop solution for the rapid delivery of production line equipment and greatly reducing equipment development costs. Industrial control is accelerating towards network development. The EtherCAT bus can help realize high precision and high-speed motion control, making control simpler. The gold-plated conductor adopts a biplate clamping design. Thickened gold plating process makes the connection between PLC and module more stable and doubling the reliability. Great expansion capability with 100 megabyte high-speed backplane bus up to 32 I/O modules. The I/O module can be installed and uninstalled perpendicularly for easy maintenance, shortening assembly time by 80%, as easy as getting a book from the bookshelf. Three-axis platform supports linear arc interpolation and continuous interpolation and applied in many scenarios. Flying and chasing shear function realizes high-speed synchronous ECAM control and can be used in filling, labeling, cutting, die cutting, pillow packaging, printing machines, and other scenarios. MC500 adopts a dual-core SOC+FPGA high-speed processor with a program capacity up to 20 megabytes and a data capacity up to 40 megabytes, providing powerful arithmetic capability. The Operation Control Instruction Library is based on the PLCopen standards, which provide a standard programming environment to improve equipment development efficiency, support CodeSys programming, IEC standard programming language, matching self-developed function libraries, support various protocols such as EtherCAT. Process libraries can be used directly, user-configurable local high-speed inputs and outputs. A standard programming environment based on CodeSys greatly improves programming efficiency and shortens development time. General type EtherCAT Bus PLC MC500 Series.